हालींच कर्नाटकांत गोंयची भुरगीं भोवडेक गेल्लीं थंय फशिल्लीं तेन्ना पाद्रीन तांकां व्हेल्लीं म्हूण बोवाळ जाल्लो. मात मेलनी मारियानो पिंटो हो पाद्री न्हय म्हूण औदा विएगसान घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत स्पश्ट केलां. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
This man called Melanie Mariano Pinto, he's a man, he's not a priest. Normally we all pick up the thing by the wrong end and we would be talking about him as a priest. He's not a priest. That even the clarification the Archbishop has given today. If you read the paper today, now he had no business to take unauthorized children, vulnerable girls who are exposed to exploitation, risk and harm in a dense jungle without knowing or without planning the trekking expedition and seeking permission from concerned persons. I also blame the state. The state has a duty towards its children. When the children are being taken across the border to Karnataka, the state police who was manning the border should have stopped them, questioned them, got back to the place from where they come and find out from the parents whether this man was authorized to take them there or not. He has broken the law of Karnataka. Two, he has violated the Goa Children's Act 2003. Because no person who is not related to children can go roam with them here and stay for so many hours away from home. I also feel parents who hand over their children irresponsibly to persons who are unable to take care of them should also be questioned and taken to task. If we are going to implement any law which is meant for the protection of our children in Goa, we will have to start from the beginning.